Good morning, children. Are you all fine? Yes. What are you doing? Studying. Okay. Your exam is coming nearer, right? Yes. When is your exam? When is your exam starts? On 5th. Monday. Okay. Then you have to write the exam well, no? Then what you have to do? You have to learn well. आपको अच्छी तरह पढ़ाई करना है, ठीक है? पूरा पोर्शंस आपको याद है ना? फर्स्ट टाइम का टेक्स्ट बुक है ना, वो पूरा याद कर लेना, ठीक है? जो इतना वीडियो मैंने भेजा है सब याद करना, ठीक है? ओके. देन what did you study yesterday in the previous class? Opposites. Okay. Now I am going to take your test. आपका टेस्ट में लूँगी अभी. Opposites याद कर रहा है कि नहीं? Okay. Okay. Then we will start. Merge the following with the opposites. Merge the following with the opposites. क्या करना है आपको? जो शब्द नीचे दिया है, इस साइड में दिया है, उस शब्द का ऑपोजिट इस साइड में दिया है, लेकिन सामने नहीं है. आपको ऑपोजिट ढूंढ के निकालना है और लाइन लगा के ज्वाइन करना है, ठीक है? आर यू रेडी? यस. देन वी विल स्टार्ट. ओके. टॉल. TALL. टॉल. व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ टॉल? शॉर्ट. वेरी गुड. Where is it? Is it short? What is the spelling short? SHORT. 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 Is it the one? Yes. Then you have to join. Okay. Short. Okay. Now, what is it? HOT. You say hot. Very good. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. Where is it? Is it cold? No. What is the spelling cold? COLD. Cold. Where is it? Is it the one? Yes. So you have to join with the cold. Cold. Okay. More. 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 What is the opposite of more? Less. Very good. Where is it? What is the spelling less? LESS. Where is it? Is it the one? ये क्या? नहीं. Then is it the one? Yes. So you have to join more with the less. Okay. Okay. Now, fast. 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 What is the opposite of fast? Fast मैंने क्या है? जल्दी. तो उसका opposite क्या है? Slow. Very good. What is the meaning of slow? धीरे. Okay. Then where is it? What is the spelling slow? SLOW. Very good. Where is it? Very good. Slow. 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 First one. Okay. Fast. Slow. Then laughing. Laughing. What is the opposite? Crying. Very good. Where is it? This one, no? Yes. Crying. Okay. Now, tall, short, hot, cold, more, less, fast, slow, laughing, crying. Okay. Now, look here. What is the opposite of big? What is the opposite? big, small. Where is it? You see? Which one? Second one. Very good. Then join like this. Heavy. Heavy. What is the opposite? Light. What is the spelling light? L-I-G-H-T. Where is it? Light. Is it the one? No. Is it the one? Yes. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Okay. Then join like this. Okay. Heavy, light. Big, small. What is it? You say? Good. Very good. Okay. What is the spelling good? G-O-O-D. Good. What is the opposite? Bad. Where is it? First one. Very good. Bad. B-A-D. Bad. Good. Bad. Then what is it? Full. Full मैंने क्या है? भरा. What is the opposite? Empty. Empty मैंने खाली. Where is it? Empty. Is it the one? No. Is it the one? No. Then is it the one? Yes. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. Empty मैंने खाली. Full, empty. Okay. Closed. 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 Opposite? Opened. Very good. O-P-N-E-D. Opened. Closed. C-L-O-S-E-D. Closed. Okay. Now, what is it? Y-O-U-N-G. How to pronounce? कैसे उच्चारण करेंगे? Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Opposite? Old. Very good. Where is it? Which one is old? What is the spelling old? O-L-D. Where is it? Third one. Very good. Young, old. Dry. D-R-Y. Dry. Dry मैंने क्या है? सूखा. What is the opposite of dry? Wet. Wet मैंने गीला. What is the spelling wet? W-E-T. Where is it? Second one. Very good. Dry, wet. एकदम सामने है ना? Yes. Happy. Happy. Happy मैंने खुश. What is the opposite? Sad. Okay. Where is it? Last one. Very good. Happy, sad. Thin. T-H-I-N. Thin. What is the opposite? Thick. Where is it? Where is it? First one. Oh, very good. Slim. What is the opposite? Slim. Fat. Very good. Is the one? Yes. So you join like this. Okay. Now, did you got it? Understood now? Yes. So what you have to do? You practice like this. Okay. Okay. You tall, short, hot, cold, more, less, fast, slow, laughing, crying. Okay. Big, small, bigger, small, much. Here a small one. Yes. Heavy, light, good, bad, full, empty, closed, opened, young, old, dry, wet, happy, sad, thin, thick, slim, fat. Okay, then study well. Have a nice day. Bye.